Say push through. Okay, so this is day number 4, week 5 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. We're going to begin with mathematics and then transition over to social studies and religious. So let's begin. Today is Thursday, the 29th of September. (2022). The subject is, of course, mathematics. The theme is, hello Shalise, how you doing? The theme is, let's change the theme for the day. I keep on giving you the same theme.
I'm good.
Alright, good, Miss Shalise. Let's change the theme. Let's say algebraic notions. Maybe we'll talk about that. That's basically what we're doing, to be honest. We're really diving into algebra today. Section 1 is variables and their powers. Variables and their powers. Okay, so let's look at that. Hello, Watessa. That is good to hear from you. So let's begin. So we're going to begin with some examples, which should be very easy. Should be, I hope they are. So example number 1. So if you're here, make sure you're not here idly. Make sure you have your book out, your pen out, and your pen ready, because we are I want you to take down the class notes for me. So make sure you have something to write on and something to write with. The screen is small. How is my screen small? Let me try it. Let me stop sharing. I'll share again. Okay. I don't know about now if it's better, but it shouldn't have been small. So we're going to begin with example number 1. And the instructions is simply to
You watching the device on.
sit again. Okay. All right. So the first question is going to be question number 1. And let's say, for example, we have say we have 6b to the power of 2 minus 3b minus b squared plus 5 plus 5b. Okay. So let's say that's what we have. Okay. All right, so the question is, how are we going to answer something like that? Okay. Well, the first thing that we want to do is we need to recognize. Well, let me try ask someone. Frank Pong, what you think? How are we gonna simplify something like this? Because we have to simplify it. Mr. Frank Pong, are you there? No, I'm not hearing from Frank Pong. Favor, any ideas on how we're gonna do this? Best Favor. Favor, are you there?
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
said, no, sir.
Say it again.
I said, no, sir.
Oh no, okay. Hello, Antoine. How you doing, Antoine?
Doing good.
How's your sister? Is she here?
She's here now.
Okay, she's here now. Hello, Jada. How you doing, Jada?
I've been better.
You're doing better. Okay. Senior year is tough, eh? All right. Let me ask Shazman. How are we gonna simplify this? Any question? Any ideas?
I can answer.
Go ahead, Dylan. Let me see what you think.
Adding putting the lifetimes together, or
But all of them have B in it. Mr. Drexel, any ideas? I know you are a math genius.
Oh, I think I have an idea.
Let me hear from Drexel first before.
Okay. Collect light terms like the 6b squared and the negative b squared.
But all of them are B. So what do you mean?
I mean, yeah, you're right, but I can tell you how to answer this properly. So let me see if someone else could get it.
Okay, let's see if anyone else could try. Okay, all right. Who wanna help him?
I would say like
Wait, Deshaun, one moment.
Okay.
The tray. I barely hear from the tray. Hello? The tray, Mackenzie? I don't know. I think his mic is not working.
we repeat that too.
Okay, hello, sir. Are you there? The tray, Mackenzie, are you there? I can't hear from him. I think it's internet issues.
Mr. Petit, I think I figured it out.
You think you figured it out?
Yeah.
What'd you figure out?
Would it be the 6b squared minus b squared?
But I tell you, all of them are B.
The b. No, I mean the b accounting for. Well, this b squared, not b stand alone by itself. So I would only assume you work out the terms with alike.
Like, interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. Deshaun, what do you think?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Just what he said.
Just what he's saying. Okay. All right. Gabby, what do you think?
6b squared minus 3b minus 1b plus 5 divided by
Okay. So she's saying just minus them all. Interesting. Deja, what are we gonna do? What you think?
I agree then. Like terms.
Like that terms. But all of them are B.
Am I allowed to give an answer?
Minus 4 plus 5 b.
Go ahead, Drexel.
Can I give an answer?
Yeah.
Or at least okay, I think I work out the question. So would it be 5b squared minus 3b plus 5b?
All right, interesting idea. All right. A lot of y'all on the right track. Um, listen, when we have b, right, and we have b squared, right, they are actually different, right? These are not like terms, right? So these are unlike. And if someone say, oh, but both of them are b's. Well, one is to the power of 1 and one is to the power of 2. So these are actually unlike terms. All right, interestingly enough, even though they have the same, you know, even though they have the same variable, they're still unlike terms. Okay, that's important. They are unlike terms. And so when it comes to stuff like that, we have to, we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. So we have to group the like terms together and then the unlike terms together. So it's going to be 6b to the power of 2. All right, so I'm literally going to box them in. And notice, I am taking the sign as well. So that's very important. You grab the sign as well, and I group them together. Voila. So we are left with, this is going to be equal to 6b squared minus b squared. And then I'm going to take the 3b. So there's going to be the negative 3b. Notice I'm taking the negative with it. So you have to take their signs as well. Bring this over. I'm going to take the what? Positive 5b. All right. And I'm going to do what? Bring that over. So now I have negative 3b plus 5b. All right. That's what I have. You're low. I'm low. Can you hear me fine or I am low according to Odessa?
We could hear you.
We can hear you.
Okay, I think it's your internet. Avery Ingram, how you doing, sir?
I'm good.
What happened yesterday?
I just took the day off.
Okay, all right. When you are planning to take the day off, make sure please message me and let me know, okay? Because I was calling your name and I couldn't hear anything. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, just message me so I can know. All right. Um, was it because you had a lot of homework or you just tired or what was the case?
I was really tired because I came home late.
Okay. All right. So just message me and let me know, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, Mr. Michael, who claims he's the GOAT, according to him. Um,
I am. I am.
you are the greatest of all time. I hope the greatest of all time can get this right. What is 6b squared minus b squared?
Hold on.
I hope you ain't on your
It-
calculator.
it-
6b
no,
squared
no,
minus
right.
b squared. Uh-huh.
No, right. Hear me. Before you start any of this, I
Mm-hmm.
stepped away from my laptop, so I just write it without happening. So if you ask me that, I promise you, I can be wrong.
Oh my
I
goodness.
can't give you the simplest idea.
Oh my. All right. Maybe Amaya can help. What is 6b squared minus b squared?
What? Let me see.
6b
6
squared
squared
minus
minus
b squared.
what is b equal to?
All right. So the coefficient of b is 1. Even though we don't
Hmm.
write it, the coefficient is 1.
5b squared.
I almost said,
Who said that?
never mind.
Someone said that before you. I don't know what that is. Jadon?
That's all.
Oh boy, Jadon. Jadon on the roll. 5b squared. All right, Jadon. Okay, so 5b squared because 6 minus 1 is 5. Now remember, this was just b squared, but even though there's no number in front of it, um, the number that is actually in front of it is actually 1. Okay, so that's the idea. So when there's no coefficient, the one that you use by default is 1. Okay, so when you don't see no coefficient, the coefficient that is there is actually 1. So 6b squared minus 1b squared is 5b squared. Then we have, so we already did that side. Now we're going to do this side. We have negative 3b plus 5b. This is very interesting. So we're saying, basically, all you need to do is subtract 3 from 5. So what is 5 minus 3? That's what?
2B.
Very good. So it's going to be plus 2b. Okay. Okay. At this point, Jasonic, what do we do at this point? Yeah.
We add 5 plus 2, and then that would be like 5. Would it be 5? Would it be 5b? 5b squared or one of the two?
Okay. Very good try. The thing is that b squared and b are unlike terms, so we can't add them. Okay. So to be honest, we are actually done. This answer is correct because b squared and b, we can't do anything with it. You understand that, Jasonic?
So
Okay, so we leave it as such. All right. So then there's that.
Excuse me, did I have a question?
Go ahead, Matthew, sorry.
I don't want to ask it. Why you didn't add 5b plus negative 3b?
Yeah, what is 5b plus negative 3b? What is that? Isn't it 2? All right. Oh no, you don't understand. Where he is? Matthew. You disappear already? Where he is? Matthew, are you there?
Yes,
You could do another example of this way because
Of
I
course.
still trying to catch the flow of what's going on. All right, thank you.
For sure, no problem. Matthew, look at it.
yes,
We have 5, so 5 positive, right?
so
So it's gonna be plus. How much positives we have? We have positive 3, positive 4, and positive 5. So that's positive 5 positives, right? Now, then we have a negative. So we have, how much negatives do we have, Matthew?
3.
3. Good. So let me ask the question. What happens with a positive and a negative? They do what to each other? Positive and negative, when they cancel out? So they cancel out. So this one will also cancel out. That one will also cancel out. So how much positives you're left over with?
2.
2. That's why negative 3b plus 5b is 2b. You see that?
Yes,
All right.
Can you re-explain that again, please? It was breaking up and I was gonna answer the same question.
Okay, very good question. So, what I said was we have 5b, so it's positive 5b. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5b. And then there are 3 negatives. So 1, 2, 3. That's how to say negative 3b. There are 3 negatives. So 1, 2, 3. And so if we were to cancel them out, we have this positive with that positive. That positive with this negative cancel. Positive with negative cancel. Positive with negative cancel. So we are left with two positives. All right. So that's why negative 3b plus 5b is 2b. Okay.
Excuse me. Okay, so why is it completely done? One, you have 5b squared and 2b
Very
to
good.
add together.
It's completely done because b squared and b, they are unlike terms. And so unlike terms, we can't move further with them. We just have to leave it. Okay.
Excuse me, and you was supposed to, I mean, you did it, subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, right?
Yeah. So we
Okay.
subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, which is 5. Very good, Jadon. Jadon, where are you located?
Eleuthero.
Neutral. Okay. Way to go, Eleuthero. Um, I'm confused. Okay, Otassa. We could do another one for you, okay? To help you understand it. All right. So number 2. So number 2, we have 7b squared minus 4b minus b squared plus 6b. Okay, good. So the first step, Matthew, what's the first step that I'm going to do? The first step. Matthew, are you there? What's my first step?
Bring down 7b
Okay, so we have 7b squared, right? And what else we have to combine that with?
minus 1b
Minus 1b squared. Don't forget to say the squared. And then we combine them together. What do we have?
7b squared minus 1b squared.
Very good. 7b squared minus 1b squared. Good. Rosaria, what's the next thing that we do?
Collect electrons would be
So tell me what I'm going to do.
put negative 4b and then add 6b.
Very good. Negative 4b and 6b. All right. So we have negative 4b plus 6b. All right. So next we have to subtract. Noah, what is 7b squared minus b squared?
You say Noah or Noah?
Noah. 7b squared minus b squared.
Six b squared.
Very good. 6b
Wait.
squared.
Yeah.
6b squared.
I was going to say 6b.
Very good. That's correct.
Hold on, so you don't put this, so it's just 6b or 6b squared?
That's the question.
It's 6b squared. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Then we have negative b plus 6b. So that's basically so we have negative 4b plus 6b. That's basically 6 minus 4. And Aiden Johnson, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is 6 minus 4?
2.
2, very good. So we take the sign of the bigger number, so it's going to be plus 2b. Okay. Mr. Draxwell, can we do anything with this?
Oh, we cannot.
No.
That's the answer.
Yes, that's it. That's the answer. Why can't we go for why can't we simplify it some more?
B squared and B, two totally different things. So yeah.
Yeah, they are what we call
Unlike terms.
unlike terms. Yes, they are unlike terms. And we cannot add or subtract unlike terms. We could multiply them, but we can't add or subtract them. Okay. So then there's that. All right. Let's do some more examples of
Good afternoon.
Hello, Gustav. Good to have you here. Let me move this.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
You could use an example where you simplify it more.
If I could do an example where I simplify it more, so said. Oh, that's Shalise. Okay, and with that example, it'll only be with like terms. So let me show you what I mean. A very good, Shalise. Very good question. So say for example, this is just an example. So say for example, we have say we have P. No, let's just use P. Let's use B. So let's say for example, we have 5B plus 2B plus B plus 4B. Okay, so that's gonna be equal to what? 5B plus 2B is what? 7B, right? And then B plus 4B is what? 5B. And so if we combine them together, it's going to be 7B plus 5B, which is what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that'll be like 12B right there. So this is what happens when we combine them. If all of them are like terms, we could do this. Okay? Only if all of them are like terms.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Anyone need to go back to the previous slide? Or we good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Frank Pong.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
After you finish this, you could do one more example so I could see how you're supposed to work out the sums because I just joined in.
Yes, I will do another one for you.
Thank you.
Okay, I finished this. Thank you.
No problem. Frank Pong.
Yes, sir.
What's up? I haven't been hearing from you, man. You ditch us.
I don't know.
You ditch us, man. You ditch us. You ditch us bad. You get rich and switch. You get rich and switch. That's true? But I know true. You say yes, sir? What?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, ma'am. What's that, sir?
The Chardonnay said she can't hear you.
Yeah, I know. And she told me to go back, so I went back. Over for her. So let me go back again one more time. Please make sure you send in the class notes. Mr. Avery and Aiden Johnson. Are y'all there?
Yes,
Please make sure send in the class notes today, please. Both of y'all names start with A, and both of y'all I don't get much class notes from you, so please make an effort to do that today. Now we have Now, do we have to use B? Can we use another letter?
Yes, sir.
We can.
Yes, sir.
So let's say we have 8a squared minus 5a plus or minus a squared plus 7a. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, Angel, what's the first thing we're gonna do?
Pardon?
What's the first thing that we're gonna do for this question?
Gather all the like terms.
Very good. Gather all the like terms. So a squared and a squared. Make sure we carry both of them. All two of them are like terms. So 8a squared and negative a squared, they are like terms. So we bring them together. Very good. So we have 8a squared minus a squared. Jada, are you there?
Pardon?
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What's the next thing that we do?
We put minus 5a plus 7a.
Very good. Minus 5a plus 7a. So minus 5a plus 7a. Good. Next up we have Mr. Johnson, Aiden Johnson. What is 8a squared minus a squared?
Pardon?
What is 8a squared minus a squared? Well, yes. Mr. Johnson, what you said? I didn't hear you.
Um,
I can answer.
Aiden, you understand that this is actually like a 1, right? So this is 8a squared minus... One moment, Rashadne. One moment. This is 8a squared minus 1a squared. So what is 8 minus 1, Eden?
7.
7. And what do we put on behind it?
8.
A to the power of?
2.
Good. A squared. Okay. Go ahead, Rashadne. You saying something?
I was saying I dropped one, so I didn't get.
You didn't get what?
I please like the screenshot,
Okay.
like the examples.
Yeah. See there.
We're just having fun.
Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we have 8a squared minus 1a squared, which is 7a squared. And then Divine, are you there?
Excuse me, I can take a picture of the last slide, please.
Sure. Divine, are you there?
Sir?
Okay, good. What is 7 minus 5a? 7a minus 5a. What is that?
12A.
Say it again?
12A.
No, we don't add them. We subtract them. You see the 5 is a negative 5. So what is 7 minus 5? Say it again.
2.
2, very good. So plus 2a. All right. Favor. Can we go any further?
Hello, sir.
No. Favor?
No, sir.
No. Good.
No, sir.
Jasmine, how you doing? Jasmine? Hello. Are you there? Okay, I'm not hearing from Jasmine as yet. Serenity, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any questions for me based on what we did?
Yes.
Okay. Terrell, Neely, any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Latre? Any questions? I think you have an internet problem. Okay. Latre, can you
Yes, sir.
how come I don't get no notes from you?
I was having a Wi-Fi problems yesterday.
But I mean in general, I don't see you in class and I don't get notes from you.
I did post some work in your WhatsApp.
I don't usually get work from you. That's probably from last week. You know that classes are 4 days of the week, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I barely been seeing you, especially last week. So hopefully for the next upcoming week, remember that classes are on Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right. And once you're here, make sure I send in your class notes. All right. Please do that for me. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um. Okay, Michael. Any questions?
I have no questions, but in the end, I'm still lost.
Okay.
Very lost.
And anyway, you mean here or here?
No, I mean like in general, the end is like when I say in the end, I mean basically the whole verse thing.
In the end, you still lost? How you still lost?
I don't know. I don't. I don't know.
Okay, let's do this one together.
All right, man.
So let's say we have um 9 so we have a 9 a squared minus 3a minus a squared plus 7a. So it's going to be equal to, what's the first thing that we do, Mr. Um, Michael?
Um, um, I don't know how to say this.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to say this. Like I know what it is, but I just know how to say it.
Okay, so do we collect this term
Yes, we collect this. We collect this. Yeah.
and the 3a or the a squared?
No, the A square.
Very good. So we collect like terms, is what I'm trying to say.
Yes, yes.
So we bring them together. What do we have written down now?
Pardon me.
What do we have now?
The common terms.
So we have, what are we gonna write?
9a squared.
Very good, 9a squared. Minus what?
Minus a squared.
Minus a to the power of 2, very good.
Yeah.
And then, what else do we group?
The uncommon terms.
No, these are still like terms. The 3a, negative 3a, with what?
Positive 7a.
7a, very good. So we group them together. And we have negative 3a plus what?
7a.
Plus 7a. Good. What is 9a minus a squared?
8.
8. 8 what?
A squared.
Very good. 8a squared. And what is negative 3a plus 7a?
Pardon me?
What is negative 3a plus 7a?
4a.
4a. No, not 4a. Oh, yes, that's 4a. Yes,
Okay, hold on, so I right?
yeah, it's 4a.
Alright.
Because 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so that's how we do it. Do we end? Do we continue?
No, sir.
No, so we leave it as such. Do you understand now? Or you still need?
Yeah, I understand. I get it now.
All right. Shazmin, any questions from you?
I have no questions.
Okay. How about you, Rosaria? Rosaria, any questions from you?
Pardon?
Any questions from you?
No, sir.
Okay. Jasmine, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Amaya, can we start the exercises?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's do it. So with the exercises, let's do it on. Yeah, let's do it on this background. Slide. So exercises. Simplify the following. So let's simplify them. Remember, we could use any variable. It doesn't have to be b. All right, and it doesn't have to be a. It could be any letter that we choose.
Except for O.
Say except for O. Yeah, O is included. We could use O. So 3a squared minus 8a plus, minus. All right, for these exercises, I want you to put your answer inside the chat. The next thing I want you to do is I want you also to take a picture of your working and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, ma'am.
I wasn't here yesterday, so I didn't send any notes.
Who's that speaking?
Divine.
Oh, Divine. Okay, sure, no problem. Thanks for that update. All right, so again, once you finish with these, I want to see, I want you to put your answers inside the chat. Number 1 and number 2, I want you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Like I said, even if we change the letter, it doesn't matter. The same thing applies. So simplify the following algebraic expressions for me, please. Like I said, once you finish, take a picture of your answer. No, the first thing to do is put your answer inside the chat as the first thing. And then the second thing to do is take a picture of your class notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, please do that for me.
All the notes are found, just the work.
If you want to send all the notes, that's fine. But I really want the exercises. But all the notes, that's fine, would be good too. All right. So you're going to be given 3 minutes to do this. And the timer has begun. All right, so let me go around and check if everyone understands. Jasmine, any questions for me?
No, sir.
That's good. Terrell, how are we looking?
I'm doing it now.
That's good. Jasmine, any questions?
No questions.
Any TikToks?
Oh man, I have water schoolwork I gotta do.
All right. Serenity, any questions for me?
No, sir.
All right. Please send in the class notes, okay?
Okay.
And once you send in the class notes, please put your name, because sometimes I don't know who it is. So put your name. Put your name so I could know who is it sending it. Sometimes I don't know who. Rosaria, all is well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Renshawn, any questions for me? Renshawn Road.
No, sir.
Okay. How are you doing, Renshawn? I could barely hear from you in the class, man. What's happening?
I'm good. I'm good.
Make sure I send your class notes today for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Not hearing from Chardonnay. Oh, Tessa. How you doing? Any questions for Chardonnay?
No, sir.
Okay, Otessa, any questions from you? Otessa. Okay, that's good. Noah, any questions from you?
No, sir.
How about you, Nakari Johnson? I know you came late. Any questions for me?
No, sir.
Make sure I send in the class notes for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's good. And then, Michael, the coast is clear?
I can't
Clear
believe
and
it.
Say it again.
it's very clear.
Say it again.
I come a little late, so.
Do you understand, Michael?
No, it's
Very clear.
Jensen.
Clearer than the horizon of the beach looking into the sunset.
Oh my.
Very clear.
Oh wow, you're colorful, sir, in your explanation. And we have Matthew.
Oh, yes, I put it in my answers now.
That's good. Latre, are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure I send in your answers in the chat. Put your answers in the chat and take a picture of your notes. Please do that for me. Jensen, how are we looking?
I did come a little late.
Oh, so you don't know what to do?
I could try.
You try? Okay. Just
Yes, sir.
gather the like terms and then manipulate them. Let me show you how to do a quick one. You watching?
Yes, sir.
I know you don't take long to catch on. So what we do is you see we had 8a squared and the negative a squared, right? So we bring them together. So that's 8a squared minus a squared. So it becomes what? 7a squared.
7A squared.
And then the negative 5a and the 7a, we bring them together. 7 minus 5 is 2. We take the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so it's 2a.
Alright.
Mr. Bethel, make sure to send your notes because I haven't been seeing notes from you. Please send them.
Yes, sir.
Alright, and then we have Jadon. Jadon Goodman, all the way from Eleuthera. How are you looking?
I'm typing in my answers in the chat.
That's good. And then we have Garanique Francis. How are we looking, Gary?
I done the picture can send through WhatsApp and I put my answers in the chat.
Okay, very good. Very good, Gary. Frank Pong Kontanka. How are we looking?
I'm doing all right.
That's it. Make sure to put your answers in the chat and send in the pictures.
Oh, you forget when I did send you my notes yesterday in class?
That's the tray.
Oh, it's Jensen.
That's Jensen. I
Yes,
mean
sir.
I mean all of the notes, not just the exercises.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. Because you did send in the exercise, but you didn't send the rest of them. So make sure I do the whole thing. Dylan, are we good?
Yes, sir.
How about you, Favor?
Pardon?
How about you, Favor?
Good.
All right. Mr. Drexel, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Want me to give
Just send it to you.
Want me to give you a bonus?
Bonus. Too bad.
Like a little extra since you finished so fast.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on, you almost I can say that the last question, you almost catch me. I wasn't focusing. But I get it.
You get
but
it?
Yeah, I good.
You good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Diamond, how we looking?
Good.
Good. All right. Make sure I send in your work over, okay? Divine John, how we looking? Where's Divine? I'm not hearing from Divine. Destiny.
Yes, sir.
You understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Make sure I send in your work through the chat and also take pictures of your work, okay? And send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, Destiny.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And then Deja. Deja McKenzie. Hello, Deja, are you there? I'm not hearing from Deja. And then, Bino, are we good?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's good. And then Chris Rami, how we looking?
Somewhat.
Somewhat. All right, something you're not clear on, or you just gonna give it a try?
I given it a try though.
Okay, that's good. Aiden and Avery.
Yes, sir.
Are we good?
Yes,
So I on number 4, but I do not send you what I do.
Say it again, but you do.
I on number 4, but I don't have my phone to send you what I do.
Okay, put your answers in the chat, one, and then send the pictures to me via WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Antoine and Jada, how we looking?
We're looking good.
We're looking good. Okay, Jada, that's true? Or he copying? Which one?
The two of us get it.
All right, that's good. All right. Amaya, how we looking?
Looking good.
Looking good. You want me to give you a bonus? You sound so confident.
Yeah, I guess. I got 5. I almost was like, hold on, but
All right, that's good. And then Shalise, how you looking, Shalise?
Good, but I won't be able to send you it on WhatsApp until my mommy come home because my phone stopped working today and yeah.
Okay, sure, no problem. I hope your phone starts to work back again. And then Angel and Angela Clement.
Completely stop working.
Angel is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
yes, it's dropping water, diamond.
Wow. I didn't know my mic was on.
Diamond, you was talk? Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
I know Shelly's personally.
Wow. Diamond, I never hear you talk. You would be so shy in class.
Hello.
Wow. Okay, and then what have I haven't? Deja. Where's Deja?
Yes, sir.
You need a bonus?
If I need an honest?
Yeah, I think you need a bonus.
You said honest?
Bonus, yes, a bonus.
Okay.
Because this work is too easy for you, right?
Anything can become hard if you make mistakes.
Oh, okay. You making mistakes on these? Please.
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, okay. You send your answers in the chat already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means you're ready for a bonus. Let me give you a nice bonus. Don't worry, it ain't gonna be hard. It can be nice. Anyone up for the challenge? Just do the challenge question. And I work out. Anyone up for the challenge? Just do the challenge question.
So,
all right.
Think so. You'll put a challenge.
All right, he says up for the challenge. Okay.
Oh, no. Wait till I finish.
Oh wow, this could be interesting. 12.
Very interesting.
Pi.
I'm gonna lie, this is easy for real.
It's easy. Okay, do the challenge question for me, please.
Wait, whoa. What is this? Hold on.
You say you ready, man?
Mr. Badi, that's a
Never mind.
T. That's the
Never
letter
mind.
T.
That's straight.
That's pi.
Yeah,
Yeah, never mind. That's straight.
That's the letter T. What that is?
That's pi. Pi squared. No worries.
Andy just saw a lesson.
I probably give up.
Yeah, models like I give up.
And they ain't teach us all this much.
Be for real, man. Like,
Oh, I know this. Oh, never mind. I thought you were gonna give us the one with on the question.
Oh my
Still
goodness.
telling me. Whoa. Okay.
I sure someone could do this.
Are you kidding, brightness? Ain't nobody doing that.
I sure someone could do this.
I know how to do that still.
All right. Well, do it.
Do it.
Oh, okay. I know. Okay, this makes a lot of sense now.
It makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah, this makes sense. Oh, okay.
I just gotta get
All right, that's it. Simplify that.
Error.
Miss Vitti, where we going with this long type equation? Like,
You really
Think
too
about
much.
it.
Not gonna lie.
I want, especially Deja, especially you. I want you to do that.
What did they say? 12.5?
12 pi squared.
I didn't even learn that.
wait, I did this in class today. Never mind. Got it.
Yeah, it's very simple. And Drexel Miller, I want Drexel to try it as well.
You can see right now, Mr.
I
You can see right now.
I want you to try it. And Amaya, try it.
No, slaw.
Yeah. Anyone who in grade, if you're in grade 11 and up, I think that's mandatory. All right.
Well, if that's the case, I ain't grade 10. If that's the case, I ain't grade 10.
Hold on. What grade did you say?
11 up, grade 11 and up.
Yeah, I never do that, guys. I look at that and laugh.
Yeah, look at that. All right, so let's.
You know the best way to go?
What the best?
Go on Google.
Google.
Oh boy, Google could be in your exam. So let's oh, by the way, let me just see. Thank you, Mr. Jensen. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you. Oh, Jensen Beckel. Try this too. Make sure I try this. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you.
I can do it right now.
Yeah, thank you, Renshawn. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, Rashadane. Thank you. Oh, Matthew. Matthew say yeah. Bonus, yes, sir. All right. Matthew.
Yes, sir.
I see you say bonus. Yes, sir. So try the bonus.
Yeah, I do. I finished the answer, so it better be right.
All right. You doing the bonus question?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's good. And Matthew only in grade what? 9. Look at that. He likes a challenge.
Bobby the smartest.
I finished. So fatigue.
Drexel, you finished the bonus?
Yeah, you ain't gonna direct this. I got it.
Put the answer in the chat. So when I work
okay.
I can see if you actually got it.
Okay.
Destiny, Angel, thank you. Nakari Johnson, thank you. Deshaun, thank you. Matthew, Garanik, Diamond, Amaya. Look at Amaya starring.
Oh, I pray to God that this challenge is right, because yeah, that had my head hurting just now.
Put your answer in the chat. Let me see. Angels.
I really did.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the challenge question originated?
Say it again.
Where was the challenge question made? Because I really don't know.
See there on up top, yeah. It's right there.
No, you make that up?
Yeah, just now I just put it in there. It's not difficult. Once you understand the concepts, you get it. Shazman, thank you. Jadon, Jason, Angel, Rakia.
Mr. Petit, my T, that's supposed to be pi, so yeah.
Okay, all right, no problem. Thank you, Bino. Thank you, Tessa. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, Antoine. Oh, Jada, make sure to do the challenge question, please. Thank you. And Chardonnay, Gabby, thank you. You hear me, Jada? There she is.
Yes, I hear you.
That's specifically for you.
I don't like that, but okay.
All right. So let's do the regular questions first. So let's see if we did that properly. So the first one is 3a squared minus 8a minus a squared plus 10a. Alright, so we're going to group the like terms together. So it's going to be what? 3a squared and a squared. We bring them together. That's 3a squared minus a squared. Please make sure that you not only put your answers in the chat, but you also send me a picture of your answers. Alright, please. I will be checking them. Please make sure that you do that. I don't want to be running up and down, calling people mother and father about notes. So please, please.
Mr. P.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get mine?
Say it again.
Oh, I was saying that I will have to send you all my notes at once. Probably this weekend. I'm trying to get my screen fixed.
Okay.
Caught by light this weekend, so yeah.
Who was that speaking? Sound like
Jason, you can own the one and only. But,
they don't want to know. Oh my goodness. I like the persona though. I really do.
Jason, not too much, not too much.
I love it.
I'm gonna be the bigger person.
Yes,
the
be the bigger person. Be the bigger person. Be the bigger person, please.
That's a petite. Don't have it like it's like this. You should see how she came on today in glass.
No man, Jason is a good girl. 3a squared minus a squared is gonna be what? 2a squared. And we have negative a plus 10a. What is that? Negative a plus
2a.
2a, very good, plus 2a. Okay, so that's the first one. If you got that, you got it correct. If you did not, you need more practice, so make sure that you got that.
I got that right.
That's good. That's very good, Terrell. Alright, let me erase this. And let's do number 2. So that the first answer, if you got it right, put a tick on it. So that you know that that was done correctly. Let's do number 2. Deja, how's the bonus question looking?
I hesitatingly completed it and I have sent it privately to you.
No, don't send it privately.
As I anxiously anticipate the answer.
You mean in private, yeah? Send that to everyone.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone, So how
you gotta learn from each other. That's what you're in classes for.
Exactly. Thank
you. No, I know.
I love it. Because what if it's
boy, she and my answer might be wrong.
Exactly.
Now Deja is very good, so more than likely that right.
Probably not better than me, but hey.
Oh
wow. Everyone can feel. Everybody gets their opinion. It's good that you have a good opinion. Yeah, just ain't better than me though.
Oh my goodness. Michael has killed me. Oh boy. So we have what? 4b squared minus what? Minus b squared. And then we gonna group what? The 7b along with the 9b. So let's group them together. Chris, are you there? Chris. Because
Yes, sir.
I remember you saying you didn't understand. So, what is 4b squared minus b squared?
3b squared.
What is 4b squared minus b squared?
I know. 3b squared.
Terrell said it. 3b squared. Mr. What his name is? Chris, look at it. We have 4 and we have b squared. In front of the b squared, there's a 1. Chris Raming, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is 4 minus 1?
3.
So that's where we get the 3b squared. Okay, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's do -7 plus 9. When you're doing -7 plus 9, you focus on the numbers. So you do 9 minus 7 because what it is -7 plus 9, but we take the sign of the bigger number. So we subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. So what is 9 minus 7, Mr. Chris?
3.
2B.
9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. Chris Rami, 9 minus 7.
2.
2, very good. But just 2 or 2b?
2B.
2b, very good. Okay. And Mr. Chris, we do not do anything with this further. We keep it just like this because these are unlike terms and so we can't move it further, okay? So it's that. It's going to be 3b squared.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be 3b squared plus 2b, okay? All right. Now let's do number.
You do the next one?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it together, Mr. Terrell. Thank you so much for volunteering. All right, so let's do that. That's what number 3. So 5m squared minus 6m minus m squared plus 8m. What do we do at this point, Mr. Terrell?
You put the box round of 5m.
Yes.
Then the m2.
M squared.
Square 2, and then you put the box. Then draw the line between 5m square 2 and then m square 2.
No, it's just m squared. So if you say m squared, you don't have to say 2, okay? Very good, Mr. Terrell. Very good. I like that. So you say 5m squared.
Yes, sir.
Minus what? M squared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What else?
Put the box round 6m and 8m.
And 8m, very good.
Then draw the line from 6m to 8m. Then put the takeaway sign. Then put the 6m. Then put the plus 8m.
Very good.
4m.
So 5m squared minus m squared is
4m.
4m squared, very good. 6m plus 8m is what?
2m.
Plus 2m, very good. Okay, if you got that, you got the correct answer. Aiden Ingram. Are you there? Aiden Ingram. Sorry, Avery Ingram. That's the name, Avery Ingram. Where's Avery? Okay. Help me out with number 4.
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
So, you see how, because all mine's wrong, and I figure out why. Because you see how it says 6 plus 8?
Yes.
But 6 plus 8 is 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. How we get 2? And then 6 minus 8 or 8 minus 6 is 2. And that's the answer for the plus sign now.
Very good question. So this is, we focus on this sign in front of the 6. So essentially we have it 6, it's -6 plus 8. Okay? That's what we have. Negative 6 plus 8. So if we do that, we have 8 pluses. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and that's 8 because it's say 8 positives, right? And how much negatives we have? Jason, how much negatives we have?
6.
So this is negative 6. I mean negative 1, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So we know that a negative and a positive cancel out each other. They cancel, they cancel, they cancel, they cancel, this cancel. So what are we left with, Jason?
2 positives.
2 positives. Okay. So that's how we get.
Oh, 2 positives is a negative. Like, damn.
No. 2 positives as in 2m. Okay. Jason, you understand that or no?
But positive means addition. Does that make sense to you?
Okay. Yeah, but you add in a negative number. Because this is negative 6.
Okay.
So if you add in a negative number, essentially what this question turns into, to be honest,
Into subtraction.
exactly, it actually is 8 minus 6. That's what it turns into. Because we add in a negative number. Okay. So what we do is we subtract it and take the sign of the bigger number. And the bigger number is positive, so it's going to be 8 minus 6, which is 2.
Okay.
Okay, so just be careful of that. Oh wow. These challenge answers. Oh boy. I see them. I hope they're right. All right. I asked for Avery Ingram to help me out with number 4, I think. Yeah, number 4. So I'm with number 4, Mr. Avery. So 7q squared minus 4q minus q squared plus 6q. All right, go ahead, Mr. Avery. What do we do?
You put the 7q, you bring that down, and then you bring down the q squared.
Very good. It's gonna be 7q squared minus what? Q squared, right? Or what else?
Yes, sir. Then you put minus 4q, and then plus 6q.
Plus 6q, very good.
And then you take away 4 from 6.
Very good.
And then you with 2q.
Very
good. And then
so let's do 7q squared minus q squared. That'll be what?
6q squared.
6q squared, very good. And then what is 6 minus 4? That's what?
2q.
2q, very good. 2q. Very good, Mr. Avery. Yeah, Avery. Now, Aiden Johnson. Aiden, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Help me out with the last one, please. Jason Ake.
Yes, sir.
You understand how you, That plus and negative thing that you was asking me about, or I need to explain that again?
Yes, sir.
I need to explain it again?
No, sir.
You say yeah?
No, sir.
Okay, alright. Minus x plus 5x. Okay, good. For this one we have yes, what's his name? Aiden. What do we do for this one?
You put the box around 9x.
Yes.
Just the x.
Yes. Oh, guess what? I didn't put no square on number 5.
Oh, you did not?
I didn't.
Wow.
Whoa, I didn't put no square on
That's
number
why we said it ourselves.
Oh.
They like terms, so you could have just added up, right?
Yeah, all of them are like terms.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that wasn't intentional. That was just how it worked out. Okay, interesting. Alright. Go ahead, Aiden. You say bring these two together. That's fine. You bring them together, it'll be what?
And 9 minus the x.
9 minus
That's
x.
8.
Very good. And this is gonna be what?
8.
Yes, 8. And then we have negative 3 and what?
Positive 5, which is 5.
Positive 5. Very good.
That's 2.
Yes, so this is gonna be 8x plus what? 2x. And what else do we do at this point, Avery?
Oh, will you ask me?
I mean Aiden, sorry. I keep on getting your name mixed up. What do we do at this point? Notice that. Say it again.
I don't know what to do at this point.
You don't know what to do. That's fine, because this is kind of different. So I understand. With this one, at this point, because these are not like I didn't put no x squared on it. Like I didn't put no square. I didn't put the x to the power of 2. So I didn't put it like this. So if it was like that, then the answer would have been, we would have been finished. But because all of them are like terms, what can I do at this point? Anyone could help me. What do I do? What do I do at
You
this
can
point?
add them as usual.
Add them as usual. Very good. And if I add them as usual, what do I get?
10x.
10x, yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Anyone got 4 out of 5 for these exercises? 4 out of 5.
Yes, sir. I got all.
Okay. How about 5 out of 5?
I just didn't try to.
I had that 10x, but I going with everybody said.
Look,
Oh, no, everybody. Oh.
Yeah, I had to send 10x at first.
And then you're gonna switch it. Everybody's saying mm-hmm. You don't switch these things. Jasmine, you did the bonus? Wow. I'm proud. Okay. Alright, so let's see what this
You had my own right.
You got your own right. Okay. Anyone got 5 out of 5? Yes. Got all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Me.
Okay. Me. Alright, Terrell. Bino said me. Alright, that's good. I like that. Only those 3%? Who else? No one else got 3 all right?
It was me. I said my name. It was me.
I know. No one else? Wow. Shazmin. Where's Shazmin?
You called me?
Yeah, I called you.
Yes.
What happened? You too busy posting up WhatsApp status? Say.
I'm listening.
You sure?
How would I get 10x? How?
How?
Yeah, but
I do.
like terms, are you supposed to add it up?
Oh,
Because it's big terms. They're all
yeah. They're like terms because
Oh.
yeah, I didn't put no squared. That's what I
Oh.
yeah, so they're like terms, so they could be added.
Oh, I thought I was right. I mean, I still am, but hey,
Oh, you right and you get it wrong. How does that way?
I didn't get it wrong.
You sure? Really?
You sure? It's me. I never get anything wrong.
Really? All right. All right. All right, so let's actually do this bonus or challenge question. Like Ping Pong will say, just go on Google. Just go on Google. Right, Ping Pong? Yes. Ping Pong say, just go on Google. All right. All right. So let's do this. So we have 12 pi squared x cubed plus 3p squared q minus 4 pi squared x cubed minus 7p squared. If you haven't sent in the exercises via WhatsApp, please do that for me now. If you haven't sent them via WhatsApp, please do that for me now. Chris Raming, I didn't get anything from you, Chris. Chris Raming. Where's Chris?
Yes, sir.
I didn't get anything from you. Make sure to send it, please. When you gonna send it? When you gonna send it?
Probably after class.
Probably or after class?
After class. After class.
Please send it after class for me, sir. All right. So, which one are the like terms in these for this question?
12 pi squared x to the power 3.
Yes, this is like terms with what?
4 pi squared
Yes, with 4.
x to the power 3.
Yes, with 4 pi. Negative 4 pi squared x to the power 3. So we got to combine them, right? So it's going to be 12. It's going to be equal to 12 pi squared x cubed minus 4 pi squared x cubed. All right, good. Now, what's the next thing we're gonna do? We're gonna group up the other like terms, right? Which are what? Wouldn't it be? Help me out. What's the next one? Which other terms are like?
3 to 3p
3p
to the power 2q
yes. And
minus 7p to the power of 2q.
Very good. We're gonna bring them together. So we have plus 3p squared q minus 7p squared q. Alright, so let's wrap it up. What is 12 pi squared x cubed minus 4 pi squared x cubed? What is that? Anyone?
Repeat it.
Can you repeat the question?
What is 12 pi what is 12 pi squared x cubed minus 4 pi squared x cubed?
8 pi square x square plus 10 p squared q.
It's actually 8. Very good. I like the 8 because all you do is subtract the 12 minus the 4. That's all. 12 minus 4, which is what? 8. So let me just put the pi squared x cubed back. And then we have, it's going to be plus. What is positive 3 minus 7? Oh my god. Positive 3 minus 7. What is that?
4p to the power of q. 2q.
Say it again.
4p squared q.
Positive q or negative q?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative 4p squared q. Can we simplify this further?
No, sir.
No. So this is the final answer.
Will I get that right or?
That's not true, Matthew. Matthew, you get that right? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Let me check the chat. Matthew, clear? Ma, you so close. Negative 4p squared. Negative. Then you would get it right. Wow, very good. Very close. Very close. Anyone else was close?
Wait, I have a question. Why didn't you? Okay, why do you still have the p squared there?
Why do I?
Why do you still have the p squared there? Oh, we don't remove the power. Oh, never mind. I just realized I put the wrong thing. Never mind. I just realized I put the wrong thing.
Okay, what happened? What happened?
I put 3p to the power of 3, and I did not put the q. I don't know if my brain was, so never mind.
Okay. Jasmine. Oh, not Jasmine. Jada. And Jada is.
Yes, sir.
It looked like you added the powers of the x. Like you have x to the power of 6.
Yeah, because I added. I don't know what I added.
I'm trying to figure it out. Where's Drexwell?
Hi.
How did the challenge go?
Oh, the challenge. Oh no, I am 100% sure I lied. I am 99% sure that my answer is correct. Did you work it out yet?
I already have the answer.
What is the answer here? Yeah, no. I am correct. I knew I was right.
Oh no.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
You're very
close.
Check. Very close. You just didn't put the pi squared. You put just pi.
No, I put it the first time. The second was a mistake. I was trying to put the symbol. Didn't work out. But
okay, let me see the first time.
Check the first answer.
Pi squared x cubed minus 4p squared q. Wow. Very good.
Yeah, the pi symbol threw me off.
All right.
Very good.
All right.
Very good, Drexel. Wow. Wow.
I tried.
Very good. I like that. I like that, Mr. Drexel. All right. All right. You have some persons who are very close. But it's good that you got that. Like I like that you see the pattern already. Okay.
So
that's good. Okay, so we're gonna move on to section number 2. Oh, we only have about 15 minutes left. Let's do something interesting, something nice and light. I want us to do symmetry. At least touch on it. Because I don't think we've done symmetry here at all. You won't believe we haven't done symmetry here at all, and symmetry comes in virtually every single exam. Like all of them, they love symmetry, but symmetry is easy, so that's why I don't mind um, leaving it. Let me see if I have my let me see if I have it. It should be in my folder. Okay, let me see something. Give me one moment. So we're gonna look at symmetry for a moment. That's gonna be our last section. So a lot of drawing, for symmetry. I don't know, my thing just paused. Not pause it. Okay, let's try now. Okay, I think we could. Okay.
Wait, I thought that you said we were going to do something fun.
Just I mean, I'm not. It just. It depends on fun. Fun is relative, right? I think it's fun. You know, symmetry is easy. I like symmetry. All right, so let's see. Okay. All right, so can y'all see my screen or no?
Yes,
Okay, how about now? Okay, y'all can see it? Y'all can see my screen?
yes, I could see.
Yeah, okay. All right, so let's consider it. So, so far, have we done order of operations before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have we done sequences? No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How about main, median, road mode? Have we done that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simplifying algebraic expressions. We done this. We did solving linear equations. Construction. Modeling real world situations using algebraic expressions, sets. Yeah, we pretty much have done all these. Except what we haven't done. I haven't done this before.
22. You want one?
Yeah, I think we've done all. Yeah, we've done all these. What we haven't done though. I tell you, we haven't done. We haven't done. We have not done. Where's symmetry? I thought symmetry.
What is gratuity?
Gratuity.
I mean, I know what it is, but I mean.
That's like.
I never saw it on paper.
We never done a question with gratuity. No.
No, sir. The most question I get asked probably is how much they get after NIV is taken out.
Okay.
Or something like that.
Okay. Gratuity is page 108. So page 108 is symmetry. So let's do that. Page 108. Let's go faster. Okay, good. All right, so good. All right, so on the diagram below, draw in all the lines of symmetry. So I want y'all to help me with this. All right, so basically, can someone tell me what is the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry, anyone?
That's like when you put the line in the middle of a shape.
Yes. So a line of symmetry is going to be a straight line that cuts an image directly in half, right? Such that excuse me, such that one side is a mirror object to the other side. Okay, so all right, so we have a lot. So for this one, what's going to be a first line of symmetry that we could draw?
Straight down the middle.
Straight down in the middle. I like that, Jadon. So straight down the middle. So that's line of symmetry. What's another line of symmetry that we could draw for this one? Well, that's across.
You have to draw this?
Yes, you can. I mean, if you need to. If you need to. Across. All right. And what's the other one that we could do?
Diagonal. The top left to the bottom left. I mean to the bottom right.
Say it again.
Then
What else could we do?
diagonal.
Diagonally, yes. We could do it like this. All right. And what else we could do? We could do it like
This way.
The next corner.
the next corner. Very good. Okay. And those will give you your 4 points. All right. Any questions on that? Any questions? No? Yes? Maybe so?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, ma'am.
What subject do we have after this?
We have social studies and religious.
Okay.
Yeah. So a line of symmetry is going to basically cut your shape into the equal parts that you needed to cut into. It's going to, let me be more precise. The line of symmetry is a line that cuts an image into two equal parts such that one side is exactly identical to the other side. Such that, or so that, if you take one image and basically close the image on top of that image. So if you fold them together, one image must fit exactly onto the other image. That's what we mean by line of symmetry. Okay. And this one of 4. So this question came on 2022 past paper. All right, they always bring in them stuff. They like symmetry for whatever reason. Zero drawings. Then we go to 2019. Let's see what they gave us in 2019. Okay. Complete the diagram so that it is symmetrical about line L. So how are we going to do this one? Any ideas? Any ideas?
I think it's gonna look like, I don't want to say hourglass because that don't make sense. But if you connect that line, go diagonally, it'll be like, I can't explain. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you connect. Okay, the right part, you connect that to the left part. Just go straight diagonally, like that. The short line.
All right. Okay. Anyone?
Yeah, and it looks something like an hourglass. I can't really. You know.
All right. That's a good try. Let's see if we get something going. So the idea here is that we want to draw the same thing. So whatever's on one side, we must do it on the next. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. So we need to go 1, 2, 3. And so let's bring that from here to here. All right, that's the first line. Because this side must be a mirror image of this side. And then we're going to bring it down. So it's going to be like so. Okay. Do we understand that? We're basically doing a mirror image.
Well, I feel that.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, I did it in class. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just saying that I did this exact same thing. This exact same question came on my Bgcse, and I got this question wrong.
What? Wow.
Yep, I got this one wrong.
Wow. Wait, but it came on, y'all what?
My Bgcse.
Oh, in the Bgcse. Okay. All right. Then we're going to go from here downward. All right. Voila. And then we're going to go here and Okay, so there we go. And that's the line of symmetry. Well, not the line of symmetry, that's the mirror image. Okay, because if we look carefully, this side is exactly identical to this side. Same thing with this. They are exactly identical. Oh, that's so, yeah. Each form a mirror image of the next. So if we were to close this image, they would map on exactly onto each other. Okay. Any questions on this?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right. Now let's move on to where's Angel? Angel, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Favor, you get it? Or you lost? Nakari.
Yes, sir.
Nakari Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Did you send me any notes tonight? Based on what we
I can't really send them tonight, so I have to send them tomorrow.
Okay. You're gonna send them tomorrow. What happened to your phone?
I don't have it with me right now.
Okay. All right. When you say you're gonna send it?
Tomorrow, hopefully.
Okay. Make sure send them to me, okay, so I can know that you are following along. Did you put your answers inside the chat?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. All right, that's good. Do you understand this question, Mr. Nakari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right, so let's do another one. I think we have chance for one more. Clear our drawings. 2018. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh boy. Okay, so how are we gonna do this one? Okay, so we want to make that such that they are identical. So this gate must be symmetrical to the next gate. All right, so let's do that. So what we need to do, let me get a line. First thing I would do is I would.
Sorry. What other subjects we doing today?
Just religious and social studies.
All right.
So I would bring this down. Oh gee. That'll be the first thing, and the next thing I'll do is I'll bring the next slide down as well. So this one follows with that one. Then what I would do is I would remember it's a backward C, so the Z should be going like this. And then this one's going to be, so you come from this gate, you meet the first line, pop, you meet the second line, pop, you meet the next line down, and then you meet the next line here. All right. Then you meet the diagonal like this. And then you meet another Z, but backwards. All right, good. Yeah. All right, so that's the mirror image. Okay, any questions based on this? How we got that?
No, sir.
No, pretty straightforward. Where Amaya? Where she is?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Chardonnay.
I don't understand.
Say it again.
I don't understand what to do.
You don't understand what to
I
do?
don't know if that's
Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
I said I don't know if that.
I don't know. You keep on.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Say it again.
I said I don't know if there's a specific step, but I don't understand.
Okay. So basically, what we're doing is we're trying to, if pretend like you're looking at a mirror. All right. So pretend like this is the mirror that you're looking at, and we're basically trying to take whatever on this side and make it a mirror image on this side. So if this is a Z, you're gonna do a backward Z. Okay. If this is a Z, you're gonna do a backward Z. Okay. Whatever's on this side is coming down. This side is gonna be going up. Okay. Whatever on this side, you do the opposite. Okay. So like a mirror image. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the math lesson. If you are not doing social studies and religion, you can leave now. Please send me the class notes. Please send me the class notes right after you leave. But for those who are staying back for religious and social studies, it'll be good to have you.
Excuse me, Mr. Batik. I'm not doing that subject, so I could leave, right?
Yes, you could leave. All right.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Enjoy your weekend.
Likewise. Enjoy your weekend as well. We meet again next week, Monday at 6 p.m. We don't have class on Friday. Class is on Monday. So you are dismissed for those persons who have to leave. But for those who are doing social studies and religion, please stay back. All right, so
Have a good day.
Yes, have a good night, Frank Pong.
We didn't have to draw anything, right?
No, you didn't have to draw anything. All right. All right, so we are the ones. Yes, ma'am. All right. Okay, so so we are those persons who are staying back. So it's good that you are staying back for me. Aaliyah, how you doing, Aaliyah?
I'm good.
You good? Were you here for Ma? I don't know if I remember seeing you or hearing from you. Were you here for Ma?
Myself.
No, okay. But you're coming for religious studies and um social, right? Right? Okay, so let's move on. This is gonna clear our drawings. Okay, so let's begin. This is alright, so let's continue. Today is so head up for me, please. We're gonna do religious first. The last parable that we were on in religious was the parable of the what? Anyone can remember?
The rich fool.
The rich fool, very good. And in that parable, I think that's who, Rashad, what took place? in the parable of the rich fool?
Um, he was being selfish, basically.
We
And
can't.
then
We can't hear you properly because you're coming in and out.
can you hear me?
Yes.
It was like he was just being selfish and
Okay. So we had someone being selfish. Antoine, what else happened in the parable of the rich fool?
He takes things to himself and wouldn't say thank you.
Yes, so he is ungrateful. Very good. And Mr. Matthew, what did we say are some lessons we could learn from the parable of the rich fool? Matthew?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are some lessons we could learn from the parable of the rich fool?
Don't be greedy and share.
Very good. Very good. All right, so we're gonna look at the next parable today. It's gonna be the sower and the seed. All right, the sower and the seed. So we're gonna begin. Yes, Favor said he only thinks of himself. That's true. All right, now let's look at the parable of the sower and the seed. I need some readers.
What scripture? Yeah, the Bible.
Luke chapter 8.
Chapter 8.
Yes, Luke chapter 8. And we're gonna look at verse 4 to 15. All right. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be on from 4 to 15. So that's a lot of verses. And so I need some readers. Strong readers. Antoine, you're gonna read for me. Are you there, Antoine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want you to read 4 through 6. So 4 through 6 is Antoine. Archer, are you there?
yes, sir. But I ain't a strong reader.
You're a strong reader? It's easy, man.
Yes, sir.
When I say strong reader, I mean someone who I could hear properly. All right. I'm sure you could read this. So just read 7 and 8 then. All right. So just read 7 and 8. So Mr. what his name is? Antoine is.
I can read.
Who said they could read? Who said that? I don't know. Just keep on sending me back this way. Okay. Who said that they want to read?
Jasmine.
Say it again.
Jasmine.
Oh, Jasmine. How you doing, Jasmine? Okay. So Antoine, you're gonna read 4 through 6. Then Miss Archer is gonna read 7 through 8. Jasmine is gonna read 9 through 12. Favor is gonna read 13 and 14, and Dylan read 15. Okay. So let's begin. Go ahead, Antoine. 4 through 6.
While a large crowd was gathering and people were coming to Jesus from town after town, he told this parable. A farmer went out to sow his seed. As he was scattering the seed, some fell along the path. It was trampled on, and the birds ate it up. Some fell on rocky ground, and when it came, the plants withered because they had no moisture.
All right, 7 and 8, Miss Archer.
Other seed fell among thorns, which grew up with it and choked the plants. Still other seed fell on good soil. It came up and yielded a crop 100 times more than was sown. When he said this, he called out, Whoever has ears to hear, let them hear.
Very good. Jasmine? Jasmine?
I really know the password.
Go ahead.
Okay. And his disciples asked him, saying, What might this parable be? And he said unto you, It is given to know the mysteries of the kingdom of God, but to others in parables, that seeing they might not see, and hearing they might not understand. Now the parable is this: the seed is the word of God. Those by the wayside are.
Verse 12 is for. What did I say was for verse 12?
You would say me for verse 9 to 12.
Oh, 9. Okay, continue. My apologies.
Those by the wayside are they that hear, then turns the devil and taketh away the word out of their hearts, lest they shall believe and be saved.
Okay, very good. Where I said 13 and 14.
Me.
Go ahead, Favor.
Those on the rocky ground are the ones who receive the word, and they hear, and they believe what it was. But in the time of testing, the seed that fell among thorns, but those who hear, and as they go on their way, they are choked by riches and pleasures. They do not choose.
Very good. Dylan?
Yes, sir.
Put the seed.
You scroll to the left, please. Like, because I can't see the. Okay, you good now. Okay. But the seed on the soil stand for those with a noble and good heart, who hear the word, retain it, and by preserving produce a crop.
Very good. Okay, so we have this parable, the parable of the sower and the seed. Jesus gave this parable to teach persons about how the word of God falls on person's heart. Now, what happened to the seeds that fell on the wayside? Anyone can remember? So what happened to the seeds that fell on the wayside?
Pardon?
What happened to the seeds that fell on the wayside?
Verse 7.
The seeds that fall on the wayside, what happened to them?
They fall among the thorns, right?
So we have we have 4 soils. Okay.
I think it fall on the ground. Right?
Okay, so we have 4 soils. The first one.
Good.
The first one fall on the wayside. The second one fall on the thorny ground. The third one the rocky, and the fourth one the good soil. So again, the 4 soils: the wayside, the thorny, the rocky, and the good soil. Those are the 4 soils. Now, what happened to the seeds that fell on the wayside?
Birds ate it.
Birds ate them. What happened to the seed that fall on the thorny ground?
It sprung up.
It did spring up, but what ended up happening to it? It can't be what?
They got choked.
They got choked. All right. And then what happened to the seed that fell on the rocky side?
It dried.
They withered and died. And then what happened to the seed that fell on the good soil? Say it again.
100. It grew 100 times more than.
It grew 100 times more than was sown, so it yielded forth a good harvest. Okay, so based on that, the seed that fell on the wayside represents those persons who hear the word, but then they allow the birds or Satan to take away the message from their hearts. Then the thorny represent those persons who they start to hear the word of God and they like the word of God, but then they allow the cares of this life and bills and problems to choke the word of their heart. So they give up because life is too difficult for them, or so they think. And then we have a shallow ground. Sorry, I mean the rocky ground. Rocky ground represent those people who hear the word of God, but they don't have no root. So when things get difficult, they give up. But those persons, but the good soil represent those persons who hear the word of God and they put it into practice and they share it with others. Okay, so that's what the parable means. So let's begin with giving the let's begin with the actual notes. Something nice for this parable. Yeah, this is a good one. So the topic is the sower and the seed. So today is the sower. Let me add up properly. Today is Thursday. What it is, 29th of September 2022. The subject is, of course, mathematics.
The accent subject. Oh.
Not mathematics. Why is it mathematics? I so used to put mathematics.
It's religion.
Yeah. Thank you. And the topic is the sower and the seed. Alright, so for this one, I want us to construct I want us to construct a table, and this table is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay. Yeah, that should be it. 5 rows. On the one side, we're gonna have earthly story. So remember, a parable is an earthly story. With a what kind of meaning?
Heavenly.
With a heavenly meaning. Very good. Alright, so you're gonna construct this table. On the one side, you're gonna have earthly story. On the other side, you're gonna have heavenly meaning. So earthly story, heavenly meaning. Now we're gonna deal with the types of soil. So The first one is types of soil. So the soil, we have the soil that fell on the wayside. The next pathway is what's the next pathway? So we have the wayside. What else?
The rocks.
Before the rocks, we had the what?
The thorn.
The thorny. What else?
Rocky.
Say it again.
Rocky.
Rocky, yes. And then what else?
The good.
The good soil. So those are the 4 soils that we're looking at. Now, so that's types of soil. Next thing we're looking at is the seed results. The first one is, this one is the birds. What happened to the wayside? The birds what? Ate them.
Ate the seed.
For the thorny, the thorns what? Choke them.
Oh.
With the rocky, they withered and died. And the last one, they produce a what? A large harvest. Okay. All right. Next we have the heavenly meaning. So each soil represents a different person, okay, and their heart. So when Jesus was talking about the soils, he wasn't really talking about soils. He's really trying to tell people about the different hearts that persons have. Some people accept the word, some people don't. So it has an effect on each person. So then we have type of person. All right, so the wayside represents persons who reject the word. The okay, let's go wait before you write that down. Let's go back to the story. So the way part are those who hear the word, and then the devil comes and take the word from their hearts, so they may not believe and be saved. So they hear the word. So let me just put type of person. Let's put hearers of the word instead of rejected the word. Hearers of the word. And what's the outcome? Well, Satan takes the message away. And we have those persons who get distracted. they have no focus. They turn away because of the cares of life. And then we have those persons who are, the rocky represents those persons who are shallow. And shallow basically means that they have no depth, they're not strong. So they give up on God. When life gets difficult. And then we have those persons who, the word for there, the good soil. They are spiritually strong. They put the word of God into practice. And share it with others. All right.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have enough space for the outcomes, so like nice pressure and redo it sideways.
Yeah, sure, no problem. That's fine. All right, good. So, let me ask. Shalise, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, how many soils did Jesus talk about?
4.
4, very good. Divine, give me one soil that Jesus talked about.
Excuse me.
Yes, Jasmine.
You could scroll up.
If I could.
Scroll up a bit. I can't see the bottom.
Can't see the bottom? Okay, no problem. Alright, Divine. Give me an example of one soil that Jesus talked about. One type of soil.
Good soil.
The good soil. Very good. Aiden Johnson, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what happened to the good soil? What was the seed result?
It produced a large harvest.
Very good, it produced a large harvest. Destiny, are you there? Destiny? Okay, I'm not hearing from Destiny. Serenity, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me an example of another type of soil that Jesus talked about, other than the good soil.
Rocky.
No, rocky. Very good.
No.
Say it again.
Rocky.
Rocky. What happened? What is the seed result of the rocky?
It withered and died.
Withered and died. Very good. Otessa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Give me an example of another soil. that Jesus talked about? Odessa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Give me an example of a type of soil that Jesus talked about. Do you know, Odessa, or you want me to pass it on?
Pass it on.
Okay, no problem. Rakia, give me an example of a type of soil that Jesus talked about.
Wayside.
The wayside. What was the seed result of the wayside?
Birds ate them.
The birds ate them. Otessa, are you writing the notes down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when are you going to send me the class notes? Because I haven't been receiving notes from you. Otessa? Can I get them tonight? Otessa? Otessa Albury? Can I get the class notes tonight? Okay, I'm not hearing from her.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Rakia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me another example of a soil that Jesus talked about.
Rocky.
The rocky. What happened to the rocky soil?
They withered and died.
They withered and died. Garanik, what happened to the seeds in the thorny soil?
The thorn choked them.
The thorns choked them. Very good. Diamond. Are you there, Diamond?
Yes.
Okay. The wayside represents what type of person?
People who hear the word.
Those who had a word. Okay. And what is the outcome?
Satan takes away the message.
Very good. Divine John, what type of person does the thorny soil represent?
They get distracted, like they want to know about the word of God, but then they get distracted by other things.
Very good. Very good. Chris Raming, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What does the rocky soil, what type of person does the rocky soil represent?
Can you repeat that again, please?
What type of persons does the rocky soil represent? So which group of people is represented by the rocky soil?
Shallow.
People who are shallow. Very good. Aiden Johnson, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the results or the outcome of those persons who are shallow?
They give up on God when life gets difficult.
Very good. Archer, what type of person is represented by the good soil?
A spiritual strong one.
People are spiritually strong. And Antoine, what is the outcome of the spiritually strong?
They put the word of God into practice and share it with others.
Very good. and Shalice. Are you there, Shalice? Where's Shalice? Shalice, are you there? Shalice, are you there? Okay, I'm not hearing from Shalice like that. This is a question open for anyone. Who is the person who said this parable?
Jesus.
Very good, Jesus. Who is a sower? What's another word for sower?
A farmer.
A farmer. Very good. And okay, so that's enough. That's good. All right. So, any questions on this before we move on to social studies?
Not really.
No. Okay. Okay. So, are we done with the notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Let's move on. Let's go to social studies. We're going to I'm just gonna go and look at a past paper. So it's gonna be Bgcse social studies. Social studies. Past paper.
Excuse me, I wasn't done writing.
Who's that speaking?
Otisa.
Otessa, okay. Oh, your name is Otisa. Keep on calling you Otessa. Otisa, okay. Otisa.
I took a screenshot.
Okay, good. Otisa, did you understand the math work that we did earlier?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. How about the symmetry?
Symmetry?
Yeah, when we cut the image in half.
No, sir.
Remember with the star?
So.
Remember how we did that? Oh no, you can't remember. No?
We divided.
When we divided the star. No? Can't remember? Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's move on to social. Let me exit this. Alright, so let me put this here. Alright, so let's try answering these questions. Okay, Matthew. Matthew in grade 8 or 9?
9.
In grade 9. And you passed social studies Bgcse already?
Yes.
So you took the Bgcse in grade 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. What did you get?
A B.
A B. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, sir. Pretty good. That's above average. That's good. One moment. All right, good. So let's go over these answers. Okay, so when you are taking the social studies and Bgcse exam, they're gonna be you're gonna have a paper looking like this. Okay, here you're gonna put your school number, and then you're gonna put your candidate number.
Candidate.
Okay. Now they're
But
gonna
this name,
say it again.
what it like what school?
Say it
It's
again.
the four digits.
Yeah, the school just give you the number. Okay, the school just give you the number, and the school just give you the candidate number as well.
Yeah.
Now your initials are gonna be the first letter of your first name. So mine is I, and the second letter and the first letter of your last name. So IP is mine. Okay, and your surname, mine is Petit, Petit. Okay, so that's what you're gonna put your initials and then your your initials and your last name. Hello, Albernique, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to have you. All right, we've done these questions before, so let's do them quickly, and then we're gonna move on. Which is not a cardinal point?
Northeast.
Northeast, very good.
Yeah, northeast.
Which instrument is used for measuring time?
Hourglass.
Hourglass.
Hourglass. Good. What is the study of the solar system and function called?
Astronomy.
Oh, you're all quick. Astronomy. Very good. What type of map we would use?
Political.
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 See where people reside is political. Very good. Now that's a tough one. On which continent does the Atlas mountain can be?
Africa. North Africa.
Africa. Very good. Oh, you're all pretty good. Which of the following countries is not an island nation? We did this last week. It's not an island nation.
No way.
Guyana. Lost on that one.
Someone say Guyana. Someone said
Jamaica.
Someone said Jamaica.
Bahamas.
Someone say the Bahamas. Not.
Guyana.
Someone say Guyana. Not an island nation. So let's look at it. We did this before. Let me show you. We did this before. Now we say not an island nation. So let's go and look at them. Let me see like if they are here. Is it in this one? I wonder if I put it in this slide, these slides or no. Oh, there we go. Good. So if we look carefully, right? This is Jamaica. It's surrounded by water, right? It's an island surrounded by water. It's a land mass that's surrounded by water, so it's an island, right? That's Jamaica.
Yeah.
So Jamaican is an island. Dominica, it's surrounded by water, so it is it's an island.
Island.
Okay. The Bahamas, we're surrounded by water, so we're what?
A lot of water.
Islands, a lot of water, right? So Dominica is an island, right? Sorry. Dominica is an island. The Bahamas is a bunch of islands. And Jamaica is an island. So which one is not an island nation?
Guyana.
Guyana.
Because Guyana, only part of it has some water in it, but the other part is surrounded by.
I was looking at that for the longest.
Yeah. So that's Guyana. Okay, so. So the correct answer for that one is going to be Guyana. Guyana is not an island nation. That's number C. Good. We talked about this as well. Which instrument is used to measure air pressure?
Barometer.
Barometer,
A.
anemometer, hydrometer, or thermometer.
I think it's A.
You say A?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? What?
It's either A or C or B.
A or C or B?
B. I don't remember my own answer.
B?
I think B too.
Okay. So a thermometer is used to measure, we said this before, used to measure temperature. Okay. Now anemometer. If you look carefully, let me show you a picture of an anemometer, you'll see it. Look, anemometer. Look at the images.
Yeah, I know it's.
So anemometer is, oh my goodness, I hate these. That's why I like Google any day. Anemometer. Okay, so for anemometer, you're looking at something like this. I don't know if you've ever had to make stuff like this before. But it's like
Yeah,
cups,
sure.
cups, you know. So this is telling you what? Wind speed. Okay. So anemometer is used to measure wind speed and wind direction. Okay, so this is not. So wind speed. But the barometer, that is used to measure air pressure. So the correct answer here is
Barometer.
barometer. Okay. And this one is used to measure density.
Humidity in the air.
No, density. Density of a liquid. Okay. Okay. What is the name of the instrument in figure 1? So we have a funnel, right? It's like a funnel. And we have a corker.
C.
We have a glass jar too. So a glass jar. And it's collecting. Okay.
C.
Someone said C.
Yeah. Yeah.
Say it again.
I say yeah. It will look like C.
It looked like C. Why C?
Because it collects rain. It looks like it will collect rain.
Very good. So it's collecting rain. Okay. So the rain falls here. All right, and it collects it. So this is a rain gauge. Because if we look at an anemometer, we just saw it. That's gonna be this stuff. Okay, that is the stuff that spins. Okay, measuring the wind speed. That's an anemometer. So it definitely is not an anemometer. So this ain't the right answer. A wind vane. Wind vane. Anyone know how to look? Wind vane. Wind vane.
Yeah, sure.
Wind vane.
It looks like a giant.
It looked like a what?
With the chicken on it under the.
Yes. It looked with the. Yes, I know about. So it used to measure wind direction, right? So wind vane. I don't know if you see them cowboy movies, but yeah, it's a wind vane. Okay. So this is a wind vane. So definitely, this is not what is represented in this figure. So this is not the answer. Barometer is used to measure air pressure. And this is definitely not a barometer because if we look at a barometer, we see how a barometer look, right? And that look nothing like that. So this is for measuring air pressure. So it's not a barometer either. So the only answer we have is a rain gauge. So this is representing a rain gauge. Let me see if Google have the same pictures like it. Yeah, pretty much. So we have a funnel. This is a rain gauge, by the way. We have a funnel collecting the rain, the water, and it's telling us how much water is in it. Okay, rain gauge. This is also a rain gauge. So pretty. These are good examples of rain gauge. So, oh, this is a nice one. Rain gauge. We have a funnel. Okay, a funnel collecting water inside. Okay, it's a rain gauge. Okay. All right, so the correct answer here is rain gauge. C. All right. What does P dot O dot symbol represent on a map? Is that personal officer, post office, postal order, or put out?
Post office.
Anyone else agree with Matthew?
Postal order.
Postal order.
B.
B. Someone said B.
Post office.
Someone said post office. Anyone else?
I'd say C. I'd say C.
C. Postal order. Okay, the correct answer is definitely post office. Okay. There's no reason why I need a postal order or the post office because the map would be trying to show us where the post office is. Okay. So all right. Number 10, which two planets are the largest in our solar system?
C.
Someone said C, Saturn and Jupiter.
C.
Say it again.
C.
C, Saturn and Jupiter. Anyone else?
B.
Say it again.
B.
B. Okay. Someone said B, Jupiter and Neptune. Serenity, what you think?
D.
D. Okay.
It's C.
Someone said it's C. Who said that? Okay, so
Matthew.
all right, Matthew. The correct answer is definitely C. Saturn and Jupiter. Which one is bigger, Saturn or Jupiter?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. So in order, the first one is Jupiter. That's the largest one. The second one is going to be what?
Saturn.
Saturn. The third one is going to be
Neptune.
no,
Neptune.
No, not Neptune. In order of how big they are. Mars. And the fourth one is Neptune. So in order of how big they are, these are going to be the four biggest: Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, and Neptune. Okay.
Can you just hold that?
Say it again.
Can you list all them from medicine?
I can give you two more. I can give you two more. The next one is Venus. And the sixth one is Uranus. Alright, and then there's more. You figure out the rest. So Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Neptune, Venus, Uranus. Alright. Alright. Alright, so the next up is, what is this gonna be our last question? What is the best way to describe the climate of the Bahamas?
Subtropical.
Everybody know that.
Say it again.
Subtropical.
Subtropical. Subtropical. Alright, so those are our answers. Are there any questions for me?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
so Dylan, Deshawn, Shalise, Albanique, Antoine, Aiden, Chris, Divine, Diamond, Favor, Karanik, Jasmine, Otessa, Rashadane, and Serenity. Please send in your class notes for me, please. Send in your class notes for me, please. Everything we did today, send them in for me right after class. With that being said, I'll see you on next week, Monday, God's will, at 6 o'clock. So until then, take care. Have a wonderful week.
Have a good night.
Yes, have a good night.
Bye.
Let's take care.